She's a legend. I mean, there'll never be anyone like her.
So that's all. I think I'll close my statement
I'm
with
happy
that.
if there's some little part, that I could touch even her feet in some little category, I'll be happy because she's been my idol. She's amazing.
She's gorgeous. Is it okay that if I say Salman is the most eligible bachelor in Bollywood, then Amisha is also the most eligible bachelor in Bollywood? Can I put
Well,
it
the
this
fans
way?
think so, and fans actually have raised this question to me recently on a Ask Amy Twitter chat.
That's where my research is coming from.
And they're like, okay, he is so eligible, you're so eligible, y'all are so good looking, please get married to have good looking babies. And I was like, wow, that's a great reason,
I should pick a call on Salman and ask him.
So, I think the world likes seeing beautiful people come together, They wanted me and Hrithik to come together post Kaho Na Pyar Hai, and when he announced his marriage, they were heartbroken. They're like, no, it should be the real...
The 10-year-old me was also heartbroken, okay, please. It was like...
This is what I mean. So when I think the beauty is that when your characters on screen mean so much to people off screen that they want this to happen in reality, you've done a good job. You know, it's a testimony to your work that you could convince them so well through a fabulous script, through good performances, through great chemistry that, this couple belongs to each other. So I'll tell you coming, back to that, when I was shooting for the climax of Hamraz, we were in Jaipur and at the fort. So part of the fort had been cordoned off because there was so much of onlookers and random people wanting to view shooting. The public had just completely come in to see Bobby, me and Akshay and stuff. And at some point there was a shot in the climax where he throws away the gun and comes to hug me. And the audience, the public was barricaded, obviously with police at every level, and they started screaming, ये तू क्या कर रहा है, ये तो तेरी भाई की अमानत है, वो उसको पाकिस्तान से लेके आया है, पंप उखाड़ के लाया है, उसके लिए छोड़ दे. So Bobby and me for a minute just froze. We were like, hearing all these random people saying these things. Again, beautiful that they've taken Tara and Sakina so seriously and taken them home. And that's the reason a part 2 comes and they take them home again, So it's beautiful when the real life audience wants to merge your real life together because they fall in love with you, and they fall in love with that chemistry. So it's amazing.
I think we'll leave it to Salman's fans and Amisha's fans to further